Welcome back to Mentority, the channel where we help you master essential skills for success in academics and beyond. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a game changer for all students and professionals: how to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of effective paraphrasing. Plagiarism can be a real stumbling block in your academic and professional journey. But don't worry, paraphrasing is the key to sidestepping this issue while respecting others' work. Let's get started with 5 essential tips and tricks. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a process of rewording or rephrasing a piece of text or a statement while retaining its original meaning. It involves expressing the same ideas, concepts, or information in different words and sentence structures. The primary goal of paraphrasing is to convey the content in a fresh and original way, making it easier for readers to understand or incorporate into new documents, presentations, or research papers. How I paraphrase my papers. I generally employ some common techniques, such as using different synonyms and changing sentence structure, to paraphrase my papers. If you don't want your research paper to get rejected due to plagiarism, then the best approach is to paraphrase every paragraph. You can use the following tips to paraphrase your papers. Understanding the source material. First things first, always understand the source material. Read it thoroughly, grasp the main ideas, and take note of the author's tone. This understanding is the foundation of successful paraphrasing. Use synonyms and change sentence structure. The most effective method for paraphrasing any paragraph is to employ various synonyms and modify the sentence structure. However, you must read the entire paragraph attentively to grasp its main ideas and concepts. Once you have finished reading, proceed to rewrite each sentence thoughtfully, while incorporating different synonyms and adjusting the sentence structure. Let's take an example. Let's look out at the 2 paragraphs in columns, as shown in your screen. Observe how the paragraph is paraphrased in the 2 columns, employing techniques like altering the sentence structure and utilizing synonyms. This is an effective strategy, especially if you are a novice writer. You can pause the video at this instance to read the paragraphs. You can use Plagiarism Checker to check whether this strategy works or not. If you have reached up to this point of the video, then I am sure that you found it interesting. So, please click that subscribe button and bell icon for more similar content. Break longer sentences into shorter ones. You can also break long sentences into shorter ones to paraphrase your paper more easily. I've come to realize through my writing experience that many research papers feature excessively long sentences. Breaking them into shorter ones can not only aid in paraphrasing, but also enhance readability for your audience. You can see on the screen how a long sentence in the first column is transformed into shorter sentences in the next column in this example. This is also a great strategy, especially if you are a beginner writer. Observe how the long sentences are divided into shorter and more comprehensible ones. You can pause the video at this instance to read the paragraphs. Maintaining the original idea. While you're putting information into your own words, never lose sight of the original idea. Your paraphrased version should capture the essence of the source while expressing it in your voice. Citing your sources. Even though it's in your own words, it's vital to acknowledge the source. Proper citation is a must to avoid plagiarism. Make sure to follow the citation style guidelines provided by your institution or publication. Compare with the original. After paraphrasing, don't forget to compare your version with the original text. This step ensures that your content accurately represents the source, without duplicating words or sentence structures. How to use ChatGPT for paraphrasing. If you are writing a research paper for your college or university, I wouldn't recommend using ChatGPT for paraphrasing directly. Many large colleges and universities employ AI detection tools to identify any form of plagiarism or the use of AI tools. Therefore, you should refrain from using any AI writing tool directly for paraphrasing or any other purpose. However, if you're pressed for time, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a summary of a lengthy research paper. Afterward, use your own words to paraphrase that summary, utilizing the techniques I've discussed in this video. This approach ensures that you adhere to all the policies and guidelines of your university or college while using ChatGPT in an ethical manner. And there you have it, the art of paraphrasing to avoid plagiarism. By following these tips and tricks, You can confidently incorporate others' ideas into your work, while maintaining academic and professional integrity. Remember, it's all about respecting the original author's efforts. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button, and subscribe for more content on writing.